boobs.
Ashley, those are for you.
Oh my god.
I cracked myself up. I don't know what to do. Will you help me?
Girls Gone Wild!
Girls Gone Wild!
What are you doing?
What do you mean, what am I doing? It's off. Wait, do it again. No, I'm not gonna videotape you. I'm getting it close so it can hear you. What did I do? Dang, dang, dang. Damn.
What?
Your boobs? They're huge. Yeah. They're like jelly.
Jelly.
I'm
I don't think you're ready for this jelly. I don't think you're ready.